Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking prerequisites and taking the first action. Make sure your iPhone has NFC hardware and you're on the latest iOS. This enables background tag detection. Once updated, unlock your phone and open the app you'll use, Wallet for cards, a third-party reader for tags, or shortcuts for automation. Tap into the app now and be ready to bring the tag or reader close to the top half of the iPhone. This is where the antenna sits, so it detects quickly. Now you activate and use NFC features. For payments, open Wallet, tap Plus, and add a card. Follow verification to link it to Apple Pay. For reading or writing tags, open the NFC-enabled app or create a shortcuts automation using the Scan NFC action, then hold the tag near the top of the iPhone until the app confirms. Make sure the app has permission for what it needs. Some apps request Bluetooth or location for related workflows, and granting that avoids interruptions. Finish by confirming the action completed and fixing common issues. Make sure Wallet displays the active card or your reader app shows the tag's data, and test any shortcut automation once more. If the iPhone doesn't detect the tag, move the tag slowly around the top area, remove thick or metal cases, and try again. If problems persist, restart the iPhone, double-check the app's permissions in Settings, and update the app. This resolves most communication or permission errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.